I already have a worksheet open on my screen. Marks are entered for each subject. Each subject is out of 50. Marks obtained by each student are already calculated here. Total marks are out of 200. You can see the percentage for the first student. Now let's calculate percentage for the next student. Click on this empty cell under the percentage column. Type $. Select the marks obtained cell. Type /. Type 200. Press Enter. Now format this value as percentage. The percentage is calculated. Now drag the fill handle down. Excel calculates percentage for all students automatically.